Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Curiosity Box, and in this video we are opening the Magic Chest Big Subscription Box for February 2018. So I haven't opened it yet, it's all taped up, so let's dive in. Okay. Yay, we got it open. So this box theme is fairy tales, and it's a really cute castle. It's a bit like the Disney castle. So it says Magic Chest Fairy Tales. That's really cute. And then you get your letter, your personalised letter. It tells you all about what's in the box. So let's have a look. So the first thing I see is this Whipped Body Butter by Grace and Honey, and it's called Thorns and All and is a Magic Chest exclusive. So let's have a smell. It smells quite fruity and fresh, so it's a body butter. That's really nice. That's nice for my dry hands. Smells like really nice and fruity. The next item is some coasters, and they're beautifully wrapped up in a ribbon. And they are Cinderella coasters. So they're all the same, but one side the pumpkin and the other side the glamorous coach that goes in. So that's really cool. So you can have the glamorous coach for evening and the pumpkin for daytime if you want. Those are really cute. Those are really cute. I really like those. The next item is Hakuna Matata. That I forget. Is he Pumbaa? I think he's Pumbaa. Timon and Pumbaa. And it's a really cute magnetic bookmark. That's so cute. Oh, everything's so cute. And now we have a pencil case of My Neighbour Totoro. And well, it's a little pouch, so you could put anything you want in it. So it could be a purse or a pencil case, or put makeup in, whatever. And it's got My Neighbour Totoro on it, and it's really cute. Oh wow, I was going to buy this book. I was thinking of getting this book. It's the Toy Makers. Oh my god, I had this on my, I stuck this on my wish list, I think. Oh, I was thinking of getting this book. Yay. Oh, cool. So it's The Toy Makers by Robert Dinsdale. That's awesome. The Emporium opens with the first sign of frost. It is 1917 And while war wages across Europe, in the heart of London there is a place of hope and enchantment. The Emporium sells toys that capture the imagination of children and adults alike. Patchwork dogs that seem alive. Toy boxes that are bigger on the inside. Soldiers that can fight battles on their own. Into this family business comes young Kathy Ray, running away from a shameful past. The Emporium takes her in, makes her one of its own, but Kathy is about to discover that the Emporium has secrets of its own. Oh! A dark, enchanting, spectacularly imaginative novel, perfect for fans of The Miniaturist. Yeah, I've read The Miniaturist, that was good too. Robert Dinsdale was born in North Yorkshire and currently lives in Leigh-on-Sea. He is the author of three previous critically acclaimed novels, The Harrowing, Little Exiles and Gingerbread. The Toymakers is his first venture into magic. I was gonna buy this anyway. I'm so happy I bought it. I was gonna get it anyway, so yay. And then we also have this print, and it's about the three brothers in Harry Potter. So now we can look at the letter. Oh, I love everything in this box. This is so cool. I love this theme. I'm really happy with this book. And I'm really happy that this is a whip body butter, because I prefer stuff like this than having a candle, because I'm not a person who should be handling candles. But so it's nice to have a body butter that I can put on. I love everything. Oh, thank you, Clara. I love. I was gonna get this book anyway. I'm so excited. Yeah. So I'll leave a link to the Magic Chest website so you can sign up for it if you want to. It comes from Germany and it is awesome. I love it. Love it. I was going to get this book anyway. This stuff. I really like it. Sorry, I'll calm down a bit. I don't know if I can calm down, but yay! So I hope you have enjoyed this video and thank you for watching. Yay! Yay!